Good morning. Today we are at ServCon 24 in Atlantic City, and we're going to have John show us the the features of the new Ricoh A6500 interactive whiteboard.
Yes.
So John, take it away.
Okay, so what we're going to do today is grab a PDF image from a file and put it in the right software so we can mark it up, make changes to it. So we're going to start in the application, which is here. This is the right application. I already have a few pages saved in this particular file, but this is page 6 of 6. We're going to add a PDF. So to do that, we go down here to this suitcase-looking icon, and we can choose Insert PDF. Now from there, we can choose our local disk, which is all the files that are stored locally on the board, or we can choose a thumb drive, which is plugged in here at the front of the board. So we're going to choose a thumb drive, and we're going to pick a drawing, pick this one, and I'm going to insert this. Now, this is the PDF viewer. This is not the right software yet. So we can choose what page we want to pull. If it's a multi-page document, we can center it to see what we want to see in the image. And to pull this onto the whiteboard, we hit the scissors button down here, lower corner. That scissor button launches, and it grabs that image and puts it on the board. So we can take this PDF viewer, close it. We don't need that anymore. We can change from our drawing tools button to our object select button. Tap inside the object we want to manage, and pull it over.
It's red.
And that's why, yes, it turns red on the edge with the dotted lines. We can make it bigger or smaller. We can delete it, we can copy it, we can flip it long ways or short ways. We can also rotate it. So when it's selected, I can grab the circle button and rotate it to where it's right side up. We make it bigger. Fill the screen. So this is what we're going to mark up. So now that I've got it the right size, I go to my drawing tools and I have all my options here. Stroke, smart writing, which turns handwriting into text. Marker, which is highlighter. You can see through it. Intelligent graph, I'll show you what that does in a second. So we're going to pull this. We're going to choose red. We'll come in here, make it pretty skinny. And here is where we can draw with our stylus. If we use our finger or something thicker, it'll give us a bigger, heavier line. So you can use both at the same time. This and this. If I go to Intelligent Graph, that will allow me to draw nicer squares or circles.
Got it.
Okay. Now, if I want to save this, I come down here to the menu, change it from page selection to the hamburger menu here. I don't know what it's called. And I can hit save. And I can choose where I want to save this. IWB means it'll be an editable file, only openable on this board. I can also change it to PDF image to send it to somebody, or PNG, which is a graphic image. So I'm going to save it. Let's save it as a PDF. Hit save. It's going to save all the pages of my document.
Right. So it's going to save all
six
pages.
Yes, all 6 pages.
Because it's got 6 of 6. Right.
So it'll turn this into a PDF. Now I can send it to somebody.
Got it.
And that's
Well, thanks, John. Thanks for this.
No problem. Anytime.